Long-haul flights look harmless on the booking page, but once you're actually strapped into economy for 14 hours, it can feel like punishment. Tight seats, dry air, neck pain, people climbing over you every 20 minutes. And don't even get me started on the food cart blocking the aisle. But here's the good news. There is a system that makes long flights not just bearable, but shockingly comfortable. And yes, the middle seat is secretly the best seat on the plane. Let's start with the power hacks that make your entire flight easier before you even sit down. Airline meals are served in order, and special meals always go first. Vegetarian, kosher, gluten-free, Asian vegetarian. Choose one in the airline app 24 hours before the flight. You eat earlier, you finish earlier, you sleep earlier. While everyone else is still watching the cart roll toward them row by row. This one hack alone can shift your entire long-haul experience. Liquids over 100 milliliters aren't allowed at TSA, but solids are, and ice is technically a solid. Freeze a full water bottle before you leave home. Walk straight through security. As it melts, congratulations. You have a full bottle of clean drinking water, instead of paying $8 for airport water that somehow tastes like airport. Most travelers rush to board early. Don't. Boarding early means sitting longer in a cramped tube, people smacking you with backpacks, nowhere to stretch, extra fatigue before takeoff. Stay in the terminal, walk around, charge your phone, use real air, board last, and start your flight fresh, not drained. So, the middle seat looks like the worst seat on the plane, until you understand the unwritten rule every experienced traveler knows. Middle seat gets both armrests. Window gets the wall. Aisle gets the legroom. Middle gets the armrests. Both of them. Why does this matter? Those armrests actually create a frame for your torso. You're not squeezed in. Your shoulders don't collapse inward. Your spine stays aligned. And suddenly, the middle seat becomes shockingly stable and, honestly, pretty easy to sleep in. Claim your armrests early, politely, and confidently. You'll be amazed how much more comfortable the next 10 hours feel. Under the aisle armrest, near the hinge, there's a small hidden latch. Press it. The entire armrest lifts up. This lets you slide out of your seat without climbing over people, stretch into the aisle when crew aren't passing, and increase your personal bubble by a few crucial inches. Most passengers never notice this button. Use it, and your aisle seat becomes, well, twice as flexible. Never put your backpack under the seat. Put it against the seat in front instead. Now it becomes a footrest. Raising your feet even 6 inches improves circulation, reduces swelling, and lowers DVT risk. It also tricks your body into a more natural reclining position, even in economy. No gadgets, no gear, just physics. So, most people wear their U-shaped pillow backward, and honestly, that just pushes your head forward. Which, wakes you up over and over. Instead, just flip it. Put the gap in the back and let the thicker part support your chin. Suddenly, no more head bob. No more snapping awake. Just, stable, supported sleep. Alright, here's a cool one. Remove your phone case. Lay the top of the paper sick bag inside it, and then snap the case back on. Now, just hook the bag into the tray table latch. Boom! Instant hands-free screen at eye level. No neck strain. No need to hold your phone for hours. Cabins get cold, then hot, then cold again. The temperature swings are honestly brutal. So, wear a hoodie. Put it on backwards, kind of like a wearable blanket. Or hey, pull the hood over your eyes as a built-in sleep mask. Warm chest, warm neck, zero slipping blankets, and, maximum comfort. The air vent above your seat is, honestly, pretty gross. I mean, thousands of hands touch it. So, always use a napkin or tissue to adjust it. Then, point it toward your lap, not your face. This creates a downward air curtain that actually pushes away germs from nearby passengers. You get better airflow, less sickness, and cleaner breathing. Water alone isn't enough on long flights. You lose electrolytes, not just liquid. So 1 bottle of water plus 1 electrolyte packet equals the hydration of, basically, 3 bottles of water. That means better hydration, fewer bathroom trips, which is honestly critical if you're stuck in the window seat. Nothing, and I mean nothing, makes you feel more human on a long flight than brushing your teeth. But just skip liquid toothpaste. Use solid tablets or disposable wisps. No mess, no TSA issues, instant refresh. Your brain actually thinks you slept, even if you didn't. Long-haul flights don't have to feel like survival missions. With the right system, and a few hacks airlines never talk about, you can fly economy and still arrive feeling human. So, which one of these are you trying first? Tell me below. And if you want to avoid a huge travel mistake on your next trip, watch my video, The 7 Worst Luggage Features to Avoid at All Costs.
Let's be honest. Long flights can feel like an airborne torture chamber. You're crammed into a tiny seat, unable to sleep, and arrive feeling completely drained. I used to dread flying for these exact reasons. But after years of perfecting a system, I now step off the plane feeling refreshed and ready to go. In this video, I'm sharing my entire playbook to help you do the same. Creating your own first-class pod in economy starts with the right gear. First, ditch the flimsy U-shaped neck pillow. They offer no real support and can cause more harm than good by pushing your head forward. The real game changer is a travel pillow that attaches to the headrest, stabilizing your head and preventing the dreaded side-to-side slump. Next, a contoured blackout eye mask is non-negotiable. It blocks all light without pressing on your eyelids, signaling to your brain that it's time for restorative sleep. Finally, noise-canceling headphones are essential. Cutting out the constant engine drone and cabin chatter creates a serene bubble, helping you relax on a deeper level. A pro tip: always pack a small Bluetooth adapter for older in-seat entertainment systems. What you wear is just as critical as what you pack. The golden rule is to dress in soft, breathable layers you can easily add or remove. Cabin temperatures can go from stuffy to Arctic cold mid-flight, so a hoodie or zip-up fleece is essential. Opt for travel pants or joggers with a gentle waistband that won't dig into you after hours of sitting. Denim is your enemy on a long-haul flight. For footwear, choose shoes that are easy to slip on and off, as your feet naturally swell at high altitudes. For superior comfort, pack thick socks or rubber-soled slippers to change into once you're settled. This hack might be the best-kept secret in economy travel. An inexpensive foot hammock is a simple sling that hangs from the tray table, creating a suspended footrest. Be aware that some airlines like Delta and Qantas have banned these devices, so check your carrier's policy beforehand. Where permitted, they can be a game changer. Elevating your feet, even by a few inches, improves circulation, helps prevent swelling, and reduces strain on your lower back. It allows you to lift your knees and change positions, turning a cramped seat into a mini recliner. You can't use it during takeoff, landing, or turbulence, but for the main stretch of a long journey, it can make a profound difference. For any flight over 4 hours, compression socks are a non-negotiable part of my uniform. These socks apply gentle, graduated pressure to your legs, significantly reducing swelling, aches, and that heavy leg feeling. More importantly, they are a powerful tool for your health. By promoting better blood flow, they help reduce the risk of a serious condition called deep vein thrombosis, or DVT, which is a blood clot that can form during long periods of immobility. Wearing them is a simple, passive way to mitigate this risk and honestly arrive feeling more energetic. The travel experience begins long before you board. In the United States, look into express security programs like TSA PreCheck and Clear. According to the TSA, about 99% of pre-check passengers wait less than 10 minutes, and you don't have to remove shoes, laptops, or liquids. Many airports worldwide have similar fast-track options you can book in advance. Also, empower yourself with information. Use an app like FlightAware to track your flight status in real time. Airlines don't always update terminal screens immediately, and having this info on your phone means you're not surprised by a last-minute gate change. Never blindly accept the seat the airline assigns you. Use specialized websites to look at the plane's layout before you choose. While Seat Guru hasn't been updated in years, Aerolopa and Seat Maps are the best current resources. Aerolopa is incredibly accurate, using the airline's own internal layout documents to show the precise location of windows and galleys. Decide your priority. a window seat for uninterrupted sleep, or an aisle for the freedom to get up and stretch. Be wary of bulkhead and exit rows. While they offer more legroom, you often lose underseat storage and may have immovable armrests. Also, avoid seats right next to the galley or lavatories due to the constant traffic and noise. The battle against jet lag starts days before you leave. Begin to gradually shift your sleep schedule by an hour or two toward your destination's time zone. This gives your body a head start in adapting. Once on the plane, immediately set your watch and phone to the destination's time. This is a crucial psychological trick. Force yourself to eat and sleep according to that new time. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, as they both disrupt sleep and contribute to dehydration. When you arrive, stay awake until a reasonable local bedtime and get as much natural sunlight as possible. It's the most powerful cue for resetting your body's internal clock. If you can manage it, traveling with only a carry-on is one of the most liberating changes you can make. It completely eliminates one of the most stressful parts of the journey, the baggage claim. There is zero risk of the airline losing your luggage, which provides incredible peace of mind. The benefits extend beyond just avoiding lost luggage. It forces you to pack smarter and more intentionally. The feeling of pure freedom when you land is unmatched. You can walk straight off the plane, bypass the chaotic baggage hall, and head directly out of the airport.